Globally, carbon dioxide levels are rising to unprecedented highs.
In a recent study conducted by the Rocky Mountain Climate Organization, we project that by mid-century Denver will see as many as 25 days above 100 degrees. We also estimate that 50% of homes in Denver don't have access to air conditioning. Those increased temperatures will have a disproportionate effect on vulnerable communities in Denver, especially where we see homes that don't have air conditioning.
One of the factors that we've been looking at in Denver recently is vulnerability to extreme heat. Denver is projected over the next decades to have many more days over 95 degrees and 100 degrees. And we know that there are certain populations in our city that are more vulnerable to extreme heat. We used a lot of data sets and did some GIS mapping to really understand at the neighborhood level what areas and what groups of people would be more vulnerable to heat in order to help inform our policy and planning.
And while it may seem that adding air conditioning to those homes is an appropriate response, it comes at a cost. It results in higher energy costs to the homeowner, but also higher emissions as a result of that increased energy usage.
The Denver Housing Authority focuses on energy efficiency and renewable energy on a portfolio-wide level and a holistic level. So whether it's our new developments, building LEED certified or LEED equivalent buildings, or retrofitting existing buildings or older buildings through modernization projects or energy performance contracts, we look at the whole portfolio to really take deep dives in energy efficiency. So one, we can save money, two, we help the environment, and three, we increase the comfort for our residents living in the homes. Denver Housing Authority has a lot of senior residents, a lot of disabled residents, a lot of families. As the summers get hotter and hotter and the winters get colder and colder and there's more swings in temperature, it's also really important to protect our residents from these swings. So the more energy efficient we get, the more we can offer cooling opportunities in the summer and more efficient heating opportunities in the winter.
With Grid Alternatives, Grid works to make solar technology and job training accessible to underserved communities.
Grid's core is really focused on people, planet, and employment.
So a few of the ways that Grid Alternatives is working here in Denver are on the rooftop side. There's a great new program that was developed by the Colorado Energy Office, working with Excel Energy, and that program works through the state's weatherization program, which provides energy efficiency and weatherization services for low-income customers across the state, to also provide solar. And so through that comprehensive program, we expect to do 300 installations around the Denver area and other parts of the state that will provide weatherization and solar services for low-income families across the city, helping them to reduce their energy burden.
DHA focuses strongly on renewable energy as well. We do this in two aspects. One is on-site solar or roof-mounted solar panels. These panels give clean renewable energy directly to the building, which reduces the consumption we purchase from the grid. Second is we're exploring community solar garden approaches where it's an off-site solar field, around 2 megawatts of solar, where we can subscribe our buildings to that solar garden.
Another way that we are working here in the city is providing community solar development services, working with affordable housing partners like Denver Housing Authority. Develop community solar projects that benefit low-income customers and provide access to folks that are renters or live in multifamily housing to make sure that all of Denver's residents can have access to solar energy.